Hey, it's Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair, and we have a new video of the day. It's about this 98 Dodge Cummins. So we did a clutch, because he's got 230,000 miles on it, and we repaired the fifth gear with a new keeper that keeps the fifth gear from backing off, and put a clutch in. And when we got done, clutch wouldn't release, it was stuck. So after a bunch of looking, I thought the hydraulics didn't feel right. So they come with a stupid sealed unit. Nothing you can do with it. You can't bleed it. You can't do anything. It's just an assembly. So we replaced this 6,000 miles ago, but I figured I'm going to try it again because I thought this was the problem. Got a new one, put it in, clutch works fine. So just because you put a new clutch in and it doesn't work, doesn't mean it's the clutch. It could be the hydraulics. So this was the whole problem, even though it has 6,000 miles. So don't yank your clutch for no reason after you do it. New clutch takes more pressure. Have a good day.